And now I heard that he will not finish this house. He was arguing with me. He don't know me. He did not ask about me. Look at it now. 10 years. This house is still empty. It's my hard work.
70 years old man.
So they started clearing it. You will hear from me. And now you will hear from me.
Who is that?
Good afternoon.
Hey, Mazi Abari.
Do I know you?
It's me. Oputuna, the son of Katakata.
Mazi Katakata?
Yes.
My friend.
Hey,
Yeah, Katakata's only son.
yeah.
His only son that went to abroad.
Yes, sir.
Hey, wait.
Yeah, I just came back and I'm doing work here. I just finished this building.
This one?
Yes, and this is my second one.
Okay, you are the owner of this house.
Yes. And this is the second one that I'm working on.
You finish this one and you are building this one.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm waiting for people that supply me cement.
Nah, this is
Yes. Baba, let me get you a collar now.
This man.
This is for your collar.
$1.
And I change it, I get collar.
Igwe. Hey! No, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was surprised that I saw people working. I said, let me come and check people that are working.
Thank you for supervising.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
You will hear from me.
Thank you.
Continue.
No problem.
Continue the good work you are doing.
Thank you.
You will hear from me.
Thank you.
I was surprised because I just said, let me check people that are working in this area. No problem. Hey. Me, this small boy is giving me or what? Is he giving me to insult me? $1? My son's mate? Because my son is a tank crier, you want to use $1 to insult me. You will hear from me. I will kill you. Or Tabu, the chief priest, will kill you. Go there now and deal with you. No, thank you.
A few moments later.
This man should not come and finish this block.
Papa.
What is it? Why are you dragging me like that?
Papa, sorry. Papa, do you remember that Katakata son that just came back from abroad? That is only son, Papa.
The one that came back.
Yes, Papa is dead. Papa is dead.
Is that why you are crying and disturbing me? What's my business with that?
He said he's coming to see you this evening. Now he wants to pay my bride price. He's going to take you, me and Mama to America.
He said he wants to take you to America.
You, me and Mama.
Hey, what did you say happened to him?
Mama is dead.
He's dead? Are you people sure he's dead? Do you people confirm it?
Papa, they have buried him.
Who buried him? Who buried him?
Papa,
They cannot bury him. That boy must not die. You want to take me abroad?
You can't let him. You know you cannot make it.
O amor, one kamga koro. Iju am. School to